man.
Take anything out of my pocket today. Don't damage nothing. They got mats in here. AC works, no AC condenser issues. Oh man, AC really works in this thing. Turn it off.
Now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around that. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us.
Hey guys, so there hasn't been an update in a while, but here's a big one. I've got an FL5. It doesn't make any sense, still hasn't computed. Random Sunday night, and a kind person decided to drop one of these off from the other side of the country. Till here, yesterday it got picked up. Sasha and Dave are incredible people to work with. I didn't expect that I was gonna get an FL5, just put a couple feelers out there and landed this car last month. But at that time it was in transit from Japan, so there was still no car. It was like, hey, there's something in transit from Japan. And then earlier on Monday, I got a picture saying, your car's here. And and it feels surreal. Like yesterday got picked up by the transport company, and now we're just we've been standing and staring at it for the last 1 hour. Completely fresh. I asked the dealership not to remove any tags, anything off the car. I mean, little PPF over there on the side, seat covers are on, window stickers on. Obviously it's gonna come off, it's gonna need a full decontamination, clay bar, paint correction detail. You don't know how long these cars sit in a lot in Japan and then eventually make their way onto a ship. So all that rail dust, everything is on, and you know, we start the build on this car pretty soon. We've got some plans already, so follow along. This is going to be a really exciting project. First time owning a car that's this new, so you know, we're going to do our best to kind of retain the integrity of it and take you along for the ride, and you know, learn as we go.